Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gems in Clash Royale. Understanding gem value is key to accelerating your progress without wasting precious resources. Gems are the premium currency, offering unique advantages if spent wisely. We will focus on strategies that deliver the most significant return for your investment. Prioritizing these methods ensures you gain a competitive edge efficiently. This approach empowers you to maximize your gameplay experience over time. The absolute best way to spend your gems is by entering the bonus rewards tier of global tournaments. For approximately 500 gems, you gain access to an incredible amount of gold, trade tokens, and cards, including legendary ones. This investment provides a massive boost to your account, significantly outpacing other spending options. Even if you do not reach the top ranks, the sheer volume of rewards makes it worthwhile. Focus your gem accumulation towards this goal. A secondary but still valuable gem use involves re-entering special challenges. This is only recommended if you consistently achieve many wins, for example, 10 or more, before getting eliminated. If a challenge offers an exclusive emote, a legendary king's chest, or a unique banner and you are performing well, a 10-gem re-entry can be worthwhile. Otherwise, save those gems for global tournaments, as the overall return is usually lower here. Now, let us discuss what you should absolutely avoid doing with your gems. Never, under any circumstances, use gems to speed up chest unlocks. This provides minuscule benefit for a high gem cost, offering a terrible return. Similarly, buying gold directly with gems is an incredibly inefficient use of your resources. Resist the urge to purchase emotes or tower skins, as these are cosmetic and do not contribute to your in-game progression. Prioritize competitive advantages instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.